Hello viewers, in this video I am showing you how to combine files and create records. You can see here I have two files for students for December and students for January. I want to combine these two files and each one having four records. You can see these four records and here I'm having one few more records, totally eight records. I want to combine these two files and create records in the student table. Right now I don't have any records in student table. Okay, now it is zero count. Now let's see how it be done. Now I'm not using folder, now I am using SharePoint and I am uploading that file to SharePoint. Now I'm already integrated with SharePoint. If you nobody knows how to integrate with SharePoint with Dynamics, you can watch a video I'm already done. I will share that link in the description. You can go ahead. Now this is my downloads and working location I want to upload. So I'm going to my site and this is my SharePoint side and I'm going to documents and here I have uploaded. So click on I'm uploading folder now, means folder having combination of files, right? So this is my folder upload. Now I'm combining these two files from SharePoint. Okay, let's go to Power Automate. Now I'm creating one more data flow. Mm, Student December and January. Okay, whatever you want you can give. Student multiple, then multiple files. Create. Now I am starting from SharePoint. So setting SharePoint folder. I want to give here my SharePoint URL. So this is my SharePoint site URL. I am giving paste. Here if you have connection it will okay. If you don't have connection you can create. I am using my existing connection. You can see some pop-up blocker to create pop-ups. Blocker. I have some pop-up blocker. So done. Sign in. Done. One sign in completed. You are currently signed in. Go for next. Now it will show two files. You can see student December, student January. So you can click on combine files. It will combine two files into single. Now you can see students and it was showing. Okay, this is the first file. You can see what are the records from December 2022. These are from December 22 and these are from January. These are from January. Okay. Now click on transform data. Now we can say we have eight records. Name, class, age, gender. I don't want this source name one, so I can select it. And if you have see here, remove columns, remove rows. So click on remove columns and remove columns. See now we have only four records what we require. Okay, then go for next. Like this, you can combine the files and as a single. Okay, now going to load existing file and I am going for B2 student and selecting age, class, gender, and name. Everything is fine. Click on next. If you want, you can select the delete duplicate button also. Click on. but I will show you now. If you don't have any record, it will create 8 records. Like this, you can combine your files and create records at a time. Like this, you can combine any file, any number of files from the folder, and you can use SharePoint like this. Let's wait for publish and then next refresh. Yeah, now refresh completed. Let's see how many records it was created. It was created 8 rows. Just go to advanced find and refresh. Now we can see 8 records created. If you want, you can check that from the folder also. What are the records we're having? You can see Jagruti, Danvika, Chinnu, and Jatin. Like this, we have these are already 4 world records. If you want, you can I will show you those records also from the world file. These are other 4 records. Nareshwar, Shruti, Bhavita. Like this, you can combine the files and create. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.